Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is our seventh lecture. Our chapter name is Nursing is a Noble Profession. What is the chapter about is this profession is more for females because they are sensitive, caring and tolerant. A nursehood possesses the qualities of strong commitment, sense of sacrifice, love for humanity and a great deal of tolerance. A proper education and training is essential for nurses to teach how to give medicines and food to patients, how to know about their problems and how to serve them in the best possible ways. A nurse is a link between the patient and the doctor. She tells the doctor about the condition of the patient and gets advice on medicines or directions from the doctor about the food and the treatment to be given to the patient. Major responsibilities of nurse are to take care of the sick and injured people in the hospital. They look after and provide first aid to the injured. They have to work outside in extreme heat and cold, in the forest, deserts or in the mountains to provide all possible medical treatment and assistance to victims of disasters. We require nurses in a large number because the population is increasing rapidly. Nursing is a noble profession which requires strong commitment, sense of sacrifice, love for humanity and a great deal of tolerance. This profession is more suitable for females because they are more sensitive, caring and tolerant. Our next chapter name is The Man of Life, a Pride. It is poem. Now I am first of all explaining the main concept of the poem. The main concept of the poem is that the man of life or pride does not commit any bad deed. He hates evil, he never harms anyone. He faces all the difficulties boldly, he has good thoughts. We can spend a happy life by activity upon the rules of goodness and virtue. We should not lose the heart and be courageous. We would not blame our fate for our miseries. Hope is the guiding star in one's life. It encourages a person to step forward. Ultimately, one gets success in life. A person has good and sound character becomes a role model for others. The others try to follow him in their lives. Now the summary of the poem is that in this poem the poet Thomas Campion described the qualities and righteous person. He explained that pious man is always free from evils and bad deeds. He has no vanity, he spends his days harmlessly. He needs no guard for safety. He has no secret room for his defense. He has no mysterious whom disclosing is horrible. He faces the problem boldly. He never blames the fortune for his miseries. His attachment is with the religious books. He has no wealth of words. His well-spent past is his only wealth. All this for earth is all living places for him. Wherever he goes, his secrets journey. Now here we have a grammar topic. The topic name is conditional sentences. What is basically conditional sentences? Conditional sentences are those type of sentences in which we describe the conditions because every condition is different from others. Now the types and usage and clauses are there here. Zero type sentences are general truths and if clause ever be tense. It is simple present. Now the type 1, a possible condition and is probable result. In this we have used simple present tense. Now type 2, a hypothetical condition and its simple past probably result. Now the sentence is used simple past. Type 3, an real past condition and its probable result in the past. In this we have used past perfect tense. The structure of type 0 conditional sentence is that main part present simple, if part present simple. For example, water boils if you heat it to 100 degrees. A red light comes on if you press the main button. In type 0 sentences, if can be replaced by when. For example, when you heat ice, it melts. It gets dark when the sun goes down. Now the type 1 conditional sentences. It is also called open condition sentences. This type of sentences expresses real and possible situation in the future. It is possible for the condition to be met. The structure of type 1 conditional sentences. Main part will plus infinitive. If part present simple tense. For example, we will stay at home if it is snow. She will get angry if I am late for the party. If we get the money for this job, we will buy a new car. Will you have Amanda if she asks you? Now the second type of conditional sentence is this type of conditional sentence describes an unreal situation with regard to the present or future. A hypothetical condition that can only be fulfilled in theory. The structure of type 2 conditional sentence is that main part would plus infinitive, if part plus past simple sentence. In conditional sentences, the past sentence from the word to be is there for all person. Was is also used, although only in spoken or conversational English. For example, we would stay at home if it is snowed. I would buy a new boat if I had more money. If he were rich, he had buy his land. If you left now, you would catch the last bus. The structure of type 3 conditional sentences is that main part would plus perfect infinitive, if part past perfect tense. For example, if you had not been late for work, the boss would not have gotten furious. They would have finished earlier if the meeting had not been held so late. If I had won the lottery, I would have bought a house by the sea. Would you have helped me if I had asked you? Now here our lecture is completed. Hope so you are understanding for the coming lecture. Allah Hafiz.